Reggae artist Jacure is scheduled to make his next appearance in a Dutch court later this month. Now, during the hearing, he will know his verdict following a stabbing incident which was ruled attempted murder. Jacure is facing charges of aggravated assault, attempted manslaughter, and attempted murder in relation to a stabbing incident in the Netherlands last year involving a party promoter. The reggae artist has been in lockup in an unnamed correctional facility outside of Amsterdam since October. According to reports, Jacure allegedly stabbed a show promoting Ricardo Blake on October 2 in the Netherlands. He will next appear in court March 22. As the anticipation grows for dancehall artist Chinsia's album, the Looty DJ is dominating the Billboard charts with her new single, Are You That?, featuring 21 Savage. Now, the track, which is featured on the upcoming album Alpha, debuted at number 37 on the Hot R&B Hip Hop Airplay, number 25 on Rap Airplay, and number 34 on Mainstream R&B Hip Hop Airplay. Are You That was released on February 15. Now, fans are anticipating the release of Alpha, which is scheduled for release on March 11 via Rich Immigrants and Interscope. Dancehall artist Kip Rich has joined forces with Diani on a new track dubbed Gallus Astrology. The track was released through Sofocus Entertainment and speaks to personality traits of various signs under the zodiac, as well as the interaction between artists and females who fall under the signs. The song also celebrates each sign and the desirable or not so desirable traits of each, while confirming if they would get along. Diani spoke with E-Prime about teaming up with Kip Rich on the track.
It was a good experience working with Kip Rich on Gallus Astrology. Very unique track, very different as well. We give thanks for the opportunity, seeing that he's a veteran in the business as well as being an upcoming artist. Learning from him and being a part of this experience was amazing. I will give thanks, as I said earlier. You don't know, the reception for Gallus Astrology has been amazing. I can't complain. You don't know, seeing the fact that it's a unique song targeting ladies and their signs is very different than the ordinary Jamaican dancehall song. So with that being said, we give thanks for every single lady that has been responding, commenting, like, sharing, and sharing the song. So it's a blessing that. So you don't know that.
Gallus Astrology is now available for streaming and purchase worldwide on all major distribution platforms. I'm Daedra reporting for E-Prime.